Teotihuacan is nestled in the northeast corner of the Valley of Mexico in the Teotihuacan Valley. If this map is throwing you for a loop, remember that the Valley of Mexico was dominated by lakes that were later drained for the construction of Mexico City. The lakes you see on the map are now gone. Prior to the 1st century BCE, Teotihuacan, or shall we say the site that would become Teotihuacan, was a small farming community of relatively little importance. A closer look at the geography doesn't reveal any important secrets. If anything, a closer examination is underwhelming. The Teotihuacan Valley is not particularly fertile. Much richer agricultural lands are found in the southern basin, which receives almost twice as much rain as the northern parts of the basin. The northern basin was dominated by the salty and brackish Lake Texcoco. People in the southern basin would have enjoyed the freshwater Lake Xochimilco. The San Juan River provides a source of fresh water, as do several natural springs in the area. So, with such an unimpressive resume, how did Teotihuacan grow into that massive city of more than 100,000 people? To the south, in those fertile areas I mentioned earlier, the big player of that time was the city-state of Cuicuilco on the western side of Lake Xochimilco. Cuicuilco is an impressive site. It has a very large rounded pyramid that reaches 23 meters. It probably had a population of something in the neighborhood of 20,000 people. This would have been the chief rival of the up-and-coming Teotihuacan, but not for long. In a cruel twist of fate to the people of Cuicuilco, a series of volcanic eruptions ruined much of the land around the city and sent the population fleeing north, where they found a new home in Teotihuacan. There's also some evidence that climatic changes may have affected the rainfall and agricultural productivity in the region. Regardless of the exact causes, what is important is that between 150 BCE and 200 CE, a mass migration began from Cuicuilco and the other southern sites to Teotihuacan, which caused the city to swell to unheard of